Okay, let me ask you a question. Have you eaten fried cake before? Hmm. If you have not eaten fried cake before, I believe when you finish watching this video, you would want to eat it. I really like the ending part of the video, where she dipped it like, oh, you just like so yummy, 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 yummy. Sometimes just experiment some things in your house, so long as it is food. Hey, count me in, because I have once bought a full cake now and I ate everything. Like, I ate everything. But guess what? ah, I just can't forget that in a hurry. My tummy was just like, brrr, this kind of thing. Woo! It's so yummy.